Hi everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about scheduling of messages. So this is one of the most requested features of Eazybe. A lot of times you want to send a message to someone, but you don't want to remember it. You want to create a system wherein the message can be programmed and it can be sent at a specified date and time. We allow you to do just that. So for example, once you download the Eazybe Chrome extension, your screen would look just like the one that you're seeing on my screen right now. On every chart, you would see a clock icon that is over here. Once you click on this clock icon, you would see a pop-up opening up which allow you to schedule messages. So first thing is it asks you to specify a date and time when you would like to send the message. So let's say you decide a future date and you can type a message, hey, how are you doing today? And you can just click on the schedule button over here and you will see that there's a text box that pops up over here which has three icons on it. The first one is the edit icon, which allows you to edit this message. If you would like to change the text or if you change your mind, you can click on the edit icon and change it. The second thing is send immediately. So if you click on this, it will automatically send the message immediately. It will not wait for the scheduled time. And the last one is cross. If you don't want to schedule this message, you can click on the cross icon and the scheduled message will go away. Lastly, once you schedule more than 5-10 messages, you would want a singular way to actually manage all of the scheduled messages in one place. We can also do that using the labels on the top. As you can see in the default labels, there's a label called scheduled messages. So if you click on scheduled, it will automatically pop up all the charts over here that have a scheduled message. It will also show you in case a message is failed because of network issues or anything, and it will pop up and it will show you that this message gets failed. And this is a way where you can centrally track all your scheduled messages. So go try out the feature, download the Eazybe Chrome extension, and do comment if you face any problem with this particular feature. Bye-bye. Thank you for your time.